An interactive display is an amazing piece of tech that not only allows users to make vibrant visual presentations, but also lets them control on-screen data through digital touchscreen interactions. Available in a variety of sizes, these displays are suitable for collaborative spaces ranging from small preschool classrooms to expansive corporate boardrooms. Thanks to the latest Ultra HD technology, interactive displays allow users to present material in brilliant clarity even in well-lit rooms. These displays feature multi-touch controls that recognize simultaneous points of touch, offering intuitive touch controls that feel familiar from the very first use. However, choosing the best interactive display can be hard as there are plenty of options out there. In today's video, we are going to showcase some of the best interactive displays in 2021 that you might want to check out before your next purchase. Meet your needs for video conferencing and wireless presentation with the AG-Neovo-Display interactive display, offering brilliant image quality and lots of intuitive features. This features a 65-inch 4K display, ensuring that content is clear and compelling by viewing from different locations of the meeting rooms. It also supports 20-point multi-touch and dual pens that allow multiple users to write or draw simultaneously. With an embedded Meetboard whiteboarding app, it allows users to draw and write quite simply on the files. This has an intuitive and easy interface built in Android operating system, which supports AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast mirroring. In addition to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it is also equipped with HDMI, USB, VGA ports for fast and seamless connections among keyboards, webcams, and all devices your team needs to get their ideas across. Finally, if you are looking for an interactive display for brainstorming annotation or business video conferencing with a budget, the AG-Neovo-Display can be an ideal option. Now it's easier to engage and inspire everyone in the room with the sharp Aquos Board interactive display, and that has the ideal focal point for meetings, presentations, or lessons. Equipped with a 70-inch Full HD highly sensitive touchscreen that utilizes capacitive touch and palm cancellation technology for achieving a distinctive pen on the paper writing experience. The display allows up to 4 people to write on the screen at the same time using fingers or a unique interactive 2mm touch pen. You can even change its color with the touch of a button. There are also cloud applications available in Sharp Pen software and a USB port on the front tray to easily share images, videos, and other files. Overall, if you are looking for an interactive display for multi-board and multi-use, the Aquos Board display can find a place in your system. Reaching out to remote team members for casual meetings can be tough, but that's not the case with Microsoft Hub Tools, which is basically a computer with a gigantic display and plenty of power inside. It packs a massive 85-inch 4K display, a modular 4K camera, and a microphone array for high-quality video conferencing. Thanks to its touchscreen, Windows 10 OS, and Core i5 processor inside, the large display can double as a tablet to run your favorite Microsoft 365 programs. Unlike a wall-mounted display, this device can be moved and positioned wherever is most comfortable for the groups, as it is battery-powered and can give 2 hours of battery life on 90 minutes of charging. You can also import photos of a real, physical whiteboard taken on a smartphone and then convert them in the Whiteboard app for better convenience. All in all, the Microsoft Hub Tools is a modern, refined, and elegant interactive whiteboard that anyone can buy for a meeting boardroom or a classroom. Samsung is well known for making impressive displays, and the Samsung Flip 3 display is a nice addition to it, with more software and connectivity options for smart learning and collaboration. This comes with a 75-inch 4K display with multi-writing up to 20 to write and draw your ideas at just 34 milliseconds and 2048 sensing levels. To protect students and educators, the screen is wrapped in a proprietary shatterproof film, ensuring the screen stays intact in the event of a break. When compared to the previous Samsung Flip 2, it brings 1.2 times more RAM and 2 times more storage capacity for faster operations and seamless interactions. You can connect to school information systems with the built-in OPS slot using preferred third-party solutions. This also features multiple connectivity options including USB, HDMI, DisplayPort, as well as wireless screen sharing to ensure educators can easily connect any device to access their content. In conclusion, Samsung Flip 3 transforms the classroom through interactive learning experiences and gives educators the resources needed to create effective and modern lessons. Vibe is a leading brand when it comes to interactive displays, and the all-in-one is no exception, offering a robust app ecosystem for multi-person and multi-device edit and sharing capability. It features a 55-inch 4K display with 8 milliseconds response time, ensuring the stylus to touchscreen experience is natural and familiar like a marker on a traditional whiteboard. This supports Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Webex, and other popular third-party video conferencing apps, with whiteboarding being shared with remote participants. It can also save content in real time. The content you created on Vibe can be exported to your preferred cloud drives like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box. This smartboard supports up to 4 users to screencast simultaneously via AirPlay and eShare or by connecting in via HDMI. To round things up, if you are looking for the best collaboration solution that combines an interactive digital whiteboard and smart software, the Vibe All-in-One Interactive Display will not disappoint you. So that was all about the top 5 best interactive display in 2021. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.